G'day guys, here we go. So finally a version 6 video on VE2, Holden Commodore VE2. That's the main interface, so all your climate controls constantly will be in the bottom here. If you choose to get one of the external AC controllers, it will just sit here on your drink holder right here, that you can just control it. But if you choose not to, that's okay, because it's constantly sitting here. So as soon as you tap it, it will just pop up here. Fan up, fan down, and obviously the temperature, dual zone, single zone, both of them are compatible. And power off, and that's it. That just goes back. If you don't touch it for a few seconds, it will disappear itself, but if you're in rush, you can just touch it, tap it, and it will go. So on the main menu, you've got a few pages, or you can create more pages as you want. And then you've got your navigation, music, which reads via Bluetooth, USB, and built-in memory. Then you've got your apps. In here you can just download any application you like YouTube, Netflix, your CarPlay app, the Bluetooth app, Bluetooth music, Bluetooth services for connecting a OBD reader, or any other application that you desire and you want. And a digital radio app, as you can see, it's DAB+, digital radio. Netflix is already here, TikTok, Facebook, anything that you like, or any other maps that you like Waze or Google Maps, or any other type of maps that you like, you can bring. Your dashcam application, if you wish to just use your dashcam, the one comes with the KAYHAN ones. So it is compatible front and rear dashcam. Once you connect the Wi-Fi to the dashcam up here, then yes, it will just get connected. Let's go back home, and reversing camera. So this unit has built-in 360 camera. So once we put it on reverse, you will see your 360 camera in here. You can put it on 3D mode, so that's your front camera, the two side cameras. You can have it on 2D mode. You can just have it with tip of your finger. You can just move it to whatever you like. Very nice and smooth and fast and reliable. It's not laggy or anything. You can just have the front corner, right corner, back corner, and you can go to setting. It has a recording mode if you wish to, and that's your 3D mode. It just does it by itself, so you can see surrounding of your vehicle. Or you can have it only on reverse, so that's just your reverse mode right here. Back to parking, it just will disappear. As I mentioned before, you can download almost any app that you want. Car settings, so if you have any of your locking and unlocking and alarm system and stuff, it will just pop up here, it will come up here. Climate control, we did go through it. It's single zone and dual zone. And you've got your buttons here as well, so SIG plus and SIG minus, volume plus and volume minus. Home, and all your steering wheel buttons are compatible as well, so that's your volume plus and minus. All the buttons are compatible. Pick up, hang up, mute, trip computers, and all that will come up on it. So that's about it, guys. If you had any questions, you can just pop out a message and let us know. Other than that, I'll try to just walk you guys through every single part of it. So the map is being set to Waze, but you can just set it to any other map as you like, whatever application that you guys desire, and you can just put it on. It does have a built-in 3G and 4G SIM card as well, so you can use that, or you can use the built-in Wi-Fi. So
let's get started. Drive safely.
Okay, maybe we should just cancel that. We don't really want to go there. Shut it down, or exit us. And obviously the music, when you tap it, it is playing something right now. It is via USB 2, so tap it, it will give you all the available formats. Where do you want to play your music from? So you can play it from USB 1, 2 or 3. You can save it to your favorites, or you can go to the local built-in hard drive that has 256 GB of memory, or you can play from Bluetooth music. So once your phone is connected, you can tap Bluetooth music and you'll just connect it from there, play from there. Your equalizer, so this device, this version 6, has a DTS, digital surround sound system, built in. So you have the 2 channels, or you can have 2.1, 4 channel, 4.1, or 5.1 channel, and each single one of them you can individually adjust it and control it. And of course you've got your presets: flats, pops, rocks, jazz, classical, all that you've got it. And of course you've got your faders, front, left, right, wherever you want it. You can just adjust it to that, or you can tap restore, we'll just take it back to the regular section. That's your DTS control: music mode, pro mode, cinema mode, mono, and the other ones. And the crossovers, you can adjust it to whatever you want. And here it is. So from here you can individually control your speakers to whatever you prefer. Any question, you let us know. But there's quite a large amount of information on the DTS, which comes in the user manual, or you can just jump online and just ask us the question, or you can Google it. Now let's exit the music part. So that was just the music part. Videos, very similar. Continue. Very similar to the music. So we'll just give you an option: where do you want to play the video from the built-in hard drive, from the music, from the USB 1, USB 2, or online videos. You can play with them. That's one of the movies, I would say. Yeah, it's just a movie. So that's where it gives you the option: where do you want to play the videos from? So USB 1, USB 2, or the built-in hard drive. These 3 movies are in the hard drive with a 1080p full HD. You can store it in a hard drive and play back from there. So that was our videos. Phone link, it is different than Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So it has wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, but phone link is slightly different. It's a mirroring system, so you can just basically connect your Android or Apple iPhones via mirror link and connects via Wi-Fi. So just tap that. I will just bring anything that you've got on your phone onto the screen. Now let's go back home. That's your regular Bluetooth, the regular radio, and Chrome web browser. And you've got your AUX input. Yes, it does have AUX input in front here for the VE Series 2. That's your AUX, and that's your front USB. So you've got the 2 right at the front. You can just access it from here. And that's your 360 camera manually. So without putting the car in reverse, if you want to access your cameras while you're driving forward, you can. Tap that and you can access your cameras. All of your cameras are accessible without being in reverse. So you could be in drive mode or park mode, you can still access your cameras. And sound effect, which is basically back to your equalizer. So just take us back to equalizer, and any mode that you want, you can adjust it to basically whatever you desire. And that's about it, guys. If you had any questions at all, let us know. Thank you for watching.